Hello everyone, today I would like to show a simple way to build a responsive columns using CSS, and we have here a prefixed size for media queries and we have columns. So right now we're gonna start with defining the isGrid class, which is gonna be display grid, have a gap. And inside we can loop through columns and have unique class, so we can do like isGrid and have -6 or have -8. Now we need to define our container, which will have margin of 0.75 rem. Now we're gonna move to in index HTML file we have container with isGrid and we have three different divs. And as you can see, I made mistake here. One, I left the S and I didn't put AND symbol before using the class. This is how it's done. It's very simple, very easy way to make your own grid system under 3 minutes. And if you like this video, please subscribe and leave a comment.